What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dream Media Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I have something very special. This is gonna be for my enthusiasts out there, audiophiles, people that want the best. I mean, literally their slogan is for people who consider perfection possible. Okay? So this is a really high-end amplifier. We're talking 230 watts per channel, class H. Very, very, very clean sound. And this is a 7-channel unit. Well, I'm about to get into this right after the intro. I do want to let you guys know that we guarantee the lowest price on every product that we sell with nationwide free shipping, as well as a free design service. If you don't know what you need, reach out and our audio video consultants will walk you through a solution that's perfect for your needs and budget. All right, let's get into this unboxing. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. We are new to AudioControl. This is going to be kind of my mid-tier amplifier once you start to get into hi-fi. You know, if you're hanging out in the Denon and Marantz category, Yamaha, and you're looking to get something next level, this is it. This is a really high-quality unit. Really, this is for my guys that are doing separates. So instead of an audio-video receiver, which does amplification and processing, you would need to do a separate processor specifically for this unit, which the manufacturer does offer and we do sell. They have some killer 16-channel processors and up. I mean, all scalable. So first thing you see inside of the box is the unit, and before I actually pull it out, I do want to mention that we are an authorized AudioControl dealer. Relationships are really important, and at Dream Media we take our time to make sure that we develop these relationships with the manufacturers and offer that full manufacturer warranty to you. Amplifiers are something that really never go out of style, so this, although the retail price of this unit is $3,600, $3,600, which may seem expensive, it is an investment piece because you'll never have to replace it. You'll upgrade your processor every time your video changes, but this unit here, you can hang on to for years and years to come. Okay, let's get to the fun part. Let's pull it out and check it out. Got the power cord here, and that. Man, it's heavy. Holy smokes. Now, one thing I do want to mention right now is the warranty period. This has a 5-year manufacturer warranty, and 5 years for a manufacturer is very long. Typically, even the most premium consumer grade products have a 3-year warranty. So that's definitely something to notate, that they really believe in this product and they built it to last. Okay, they even include right here a little message from the people who built the unit. Not only are these hand built in the Pacific Northwest, but they give you a little bit of a, you know, kind of a rundown of how much care and attention human beings are actually putting on this. They sign off on a functionality test, a response and accuracy test, as well as a final assembly test. So somebody at the manufacturer tests every single one before they go out the door, which is important. When you're buying something, you want to make sure that by the time you receive it, it's good to go. Okay. Get to the fun part. Look at these massive binding posts on this. I mean, just looking at the unit, you can tell it's got some horsepower. Now guys, this is just an unboxing video. You gotta subscribe to the channel because we're gonna be putting these into clients' homes and recording demos of the system, as well as doing more comparison reviews. Okay, so I'm gonna take the camera, bring you up close and show you the back, which is really where all the magic happens. Okay, so this is the back of the unit, and I'm just going to give you the rundown on how you would utilize this. Down here at the bottom, this is where you're going to connect all the speakers to the unit. And you can use banana plugs, or you can just hook them right up direct into the binding post. Check it out. Really top notch. Well built. Again, the clients that are going to be buying this, that are watching this video, you're going to be using very thick, heavy gauge speaker wire. So it's important that you got some solid binding posts. If you guys need cables, we carry tributaries as well as Claris, which are recognized in the industry as the best. So make sure to inquire about cabling as well whenever you call in. We'll get you the guaranteed lowest price and the free shipping on those also. So you got your in and through inputs on both or on every single terminal, as well as a balanced XLR. So RCA is not as good as having the ground put in there. XLR originally was kind of just utilized in like music for like a microphone, for example. But on all of our high-end separate home theater setups where you have a receiver and a processor, you're going to find balanced XLRs. And I would highly recommend you use the balanced XLRs versus using the RCAs. But if, say, like your processor doesn't have balanced XLR outputs, like for example, I just unboxed another Marantz 8015, which is a really good unit, but it doesn't have balanced XLR outputs. You would have to go into, like, say for example, the Marantz AV7705. Or what I'm gonna recommend to you guys if you call in is an AudioControl processor, because you can actually get a lot more processing power and something that's expandable out of AudioControl versus, you know, a consumer grade product like Marantz. Again, all these things start to matter as you start to fine tune your system. You got mono and stereo selection right here. Mono and stereo. But you can configure this in any way that you would like. But long story short, you have 230 watts at 8 ohms driven, or 300 watts at 4 ohms driven, and 600 watts if you do 8 ohms bridged. So this is a monster amplifier. Over here, you got ground isolator as well, and then trigger inputs for control. So they have everything covered here, and then a power switch as well as a fuse. I'll spin it around so you guys can see the front. Okay, so the front of the unit just looks clean. You're not really gonna be doing anything. You're not gonna be controlling anything on this. Once it's set up, you're gonna set up your triggers and you're done. You know, the processor is gonna handle everything. So they just have a power button, power on and off. Very simple. One thing I do wanna notate is airflow. You see all these vents on the unit? It's really important that you let it breathe. What we're gonna recommend here at Dream Media is that you put it into a rack system. A rack is great because it gives you the ability to really organize it efficiently and provide adequate airflow. We'll put fans in there and everything to keep it nice and allow it to breathe well so that it lasts a long time. It has that 5-year warranty, but we want it to last 20 years, right? We have a power cord, pretty typical power cord. If you guys are really into hi-fi, we have the Claris and Tributary power cords as well that you can replace this with to make it, you know, top notch. And then we're gonna recommend you plug this into a high-powered power conditioner, which Claris makes some really high-end power conditioning as well to make sure that there's absolutely no noise anywhere in your line. Again, this is where the the quality starts, you know, in the amplification. It actually starts from the power outlet on your wall, which you'll want to put a dedicated circuit in, like a 20 amp, to drive this, because if not, you'll end up popping your breaker. But it starts from the wall, you're feeding it through the power conditioner to clean it up, and then to the amplifier, again, then through the cables, and all of this is really important before it even hits your speakers. And then by the time that clean power hits your speakers, no matter what quality, manufacturer, I don't care what speakers you have, it's gonna maximize the potential of those speakers and make them run really clean. Okay guys, that is a wrap on the AudioControl 7-channel Savoy G4. We are a direct audio control dealer with nationwide authority. We would love the opportunity to sell you the complete setup of separates. This is a really high-end quality manufacturer. These are hand-built amps, guys. So, you know, like I was stating earlier in the video, comes with a 5-year warranty, but these are investment pieces that should last you a long time. And it's at a very reasonable price point, which is why I brought it on. They are only wanting $3,600 for this unit. And then they have expandable amplifiers. So if you need to run like a 16 channel, we can get you geared up all the way through with their processors and amps. If you guys would like to purchase, make sure to reach out and show your support. We have nationwide free shipping and a low price guaranteed on every product we sell. Even if this is not the unit for you, our audio video consultants will find something that fits your exact needs and budget. We would love to create your dream home system. Okay, well that is a wrap. If you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater. Thank you for watching.